Knowing the look of the modern Chinese quite well, do you know what the ancient Chinese people looked like? What were the criteria for handsome men back then? Look, the broad forehead, the spindly eyes, the high cheekbone, and the height of over 1.8 meters. It is said that these were the criteria for ancient Chinese Apollo. But if you look carefully, you will find that they wear armors with weapons in the hands and war horses standing by. These men of uncommon vigor could not have been common people. Looking in a distance, you will find that these people and horses are actually in some battle arrays. These handsome men are indeed soldiers, and with those war horses, they are indeed an imposing army. Then, why was there this army? Who did it belong to? Let's trace back to the time of 2,000 years ago, from 230 to 221 BC. Each rival state fought against each other. Yin Zheng, king of the Qin state, eventually brought China under centralized control within the 10 years. He established the first feudal empire possessing centralized power in the Chinese history. So he is called Qin Shi Huang, which means the first emperor. Soon after Qin Shi Huang enthroned, he ordered people to construct his tomb and the army to guard his tomb. According to the models and styles of the Qin armies, the craftsmen made thousands of terracotta warriors to be buried with him. The terracotta warriors were arranged according to battle arrays in that age. In 1974, when local people dug wells, they discovered the site of the terracotta warriors accidentally. What we can see so far are 3 pits. The first pit is the largest one, in which there is a pioneer army consisting of warriors with crossbows and bows in their hands. Behind them are about 6,000 warriors with war chariots lined in 35 trenches. In addition, the south and north wings are rear guards. Pit 2 contains the large array of chariots, cavalry, and archers mixed. There are together more than 1,300 terracotta warriors and horses and more than 80 chariots. Although Pit 3 is the smallest one, it forms integrity with Pit 1 and Pit 2 and is the commanding headquarters of the army. These terracotta warriors were made just by standards of handsome men at that time. All of them were colored at first and are still vivid, though the colors had faded after 2,000 years have passed. Besides the terracotta warriors and horses, lots of bronze weapons were also excavated. Bronze smelt technique had reached a pretty high level at that time. Look at this bronze sword, which has been buried for more than 2,000 years. It is still very sharp. This bronze chariot, honored as champion of bronze, is about half size of a real chariot. It is complicatedly structured and delicately made. Chains on this chariot can still function. Doors and windows can still work perfectly. The whole pit of the terracotta warriors is about 20,000 square meters in area. So far, more than 8,000 terracotta soldiers and horses and several 100,000 of bronze weapons have been discovered. This is the terracotta warriors located in Lintong County, Xi'an City, Shanxi Province, China. Such huge pits are unique, not only in China, but also in the world history of sculpture. However, it is only a tiny part of the Qing Emperor's tomb complex. A lot of mysteries still remain there for us to discover and to solve. 兵马俑，兵马俑，车，车，秦始皇，秦始皇。